one leg of a right angled triangle is 7 more than the other leg. The hypotenuse is 8 more than the shorter leg. Find the length of the 3 sides of the triangle. Now this is actually a right angled triangle. Okay, so let's draw the triangle out. Right angles there, and we let one of the sides be x. Okay, so one leg is 7 more than the other leg, so this is x plus 7, and the hypotenuse is 8 more than the shorter leg, so that would be x plus 8. Okay, because it's 8 more than the shorter one. This is a shorter one, this is a slightly longer one. Hypotenuse is 8 more. Okay, so how are these 3 lengths connected to each other? They are connected via the Pythagoras Theorem. So by using Pythagoras Theorem, hypotenuse squared will be equals to x squared plus x plus 7 squared. X squared plus 16x plus 64 is equals to x squared plus 14x plus 49. Alright, so over here we got 2x squared, over here we got 1x squared, so it makes more sense to make it to the right side. Push it to the right side so you get positive x squared terms. So bring everything to the right side. 2x squared was original here, minus away this x squared, plus 14x minus away this 16x, plus 49 minus away 64. Okay, so we rewrite this whole thing. X squared minus 2x minus 49 minus 64, what is that? Let's see. Minus 15 is equals to 0, and then we can use our quadratic factorization. X. How to get negative 15? Negative 5 plus 3, negative 5x plus 3x. So we have 2 options, x minus 5, x plus 3 equals to 0, x minus 5 is equals to 0, or x plus 3 is equals to 0, x is equals to 5, or x is negative 3, which is rejected because length can never be negative. If x is negative 3, this will be invalid here, right? Alright, so one of the length is x, the other one will be x plus 7. That will be 5 plus 7, that will be 12. And yet the other length will be 5 plus 8, 13. The 3 length are 5, 12, and 13 units. Since it's not cm or meters, we just put units there. Final answer, 5, 12, and 13 units.